Okay, this is the final video in my aquarium rack build series. I did get it done, and this is it right here. I notched out these joints for better support. There's a middle one and the bottom one. The bottom tanks are a little tough to get a siphon going because they're so low, but my ceilings are only a little over 7 feet, so I don't have room to lift them up, but it turned out nice. Put my 10-gallon salt on that side. I have the 10-gallon here, another 10, a 20, and the 75 did get moved. So I think it turned out quite well. That allowed me to move this over here for 255s. My desk is shorter now, and that completes that move. I have a few more changes I do want to make, and I'll make some videos of them later. And I will keep you posted.